traders, thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. Hello, sir. Hello, Lion. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. I apologize, guys. Yesterday, actually, something came up. It's related to a family situation. So sometimes emergency happens, right? Thankfully, it's nothing that serious. Okay, so everything actually went well. But nevertheless, we gotta be ready to be there for those that we really care about, right? Yeah, so that's the reason why actually I didn't come on live yesterday. But nevertheless, I did give you guys an update on the trades that we actually spoke about and how they actually went through, how they actually played out now. Okay, if you guys are interested to actually watch those, I did post them on my Instagram. My phone is not with me right now, but I'm pretty sure the story is still available lah. So you guys can actually go there. I have links in the description below just to go and analyze and understand like all the trades that we spoke about in the live stream that was the day before yesterday and how they actually played out lah. Okay, everything actually went beautifully. Today's live stream, guys, we actually will be speaking about also just to recap a little bit about the updates and a potential opportunity, which today not really focusing on forex pairs but crypto, because Dogecoin, I think there's a potential opportunity that is about to happen. So I will share with you guys what that opportunity actually is and why. All right. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for almost 4 years now. And what I do on my live streams, and especially on my YouTube page, is I provide with you guys as much free information pertaining to price action. And on top of that, okay, the cherry on top is I also give you guys my analysis and trades that I'm about to take before I take them, so that you guys can actually jump on the same train with me, in hopes like that it goes in the direction of bias that we predict. So far, thankfully, it is. So I also share with you guys why I think in such a way. Okay, what is my prediction? So I really hope that it'll be able to help you guys any way possible. Okay, if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Let's get into today's session. Okay, so today, first off, of course, you guys know I have to speak about AUD USD. So this was such a beautiful trade. Okay, I showed you guys live. If you guys want to watch it, it's the live stream that was the day before yesterday. Okay, I did show you guys that I did enter this trading opportunity. I also show you guys the results on my Instagram page. I don't like posting my forex results. I used to do that last time. It made me feel like a scammer, so that's why I stopped. But recently, I just wanted to show you guys the visibility because I didn't come live stream. Okay, other than that, you guys won't see my forex results unless you join my live stream, or in the rare sense that I'm not able to do live, then okay, unfortunately I need to share that lah. So you guys can actually watch it there where I post it on my Instagram page, the result. So I entered roughly within this zone, and I told you guys my predictions and my bias were these liquidity areas. My ultimate was only here, guys. Okay, I predicted that this liquidity trend line also will be taken out, but I don't want to be too greedy. Okay, this is my ultimate TP point, and it reached this ultimate TP zone. This was actually a very beautiful trade lah, because I actually got a break even. Okay, because this was my first entry. My first entry was actually here, this area here. So when the trade actually went all the way up, it almost taken out the first TP point. Okay, it went back, and then my break even was just above this zone now. Okay, just above this zone. So price came, tapped my break even, and then went lower. And then I told you guys in the day before yesterday live stream, I'm still focusing on buying opportunities. Nevertheless, the market was kind enough to give me that second opportunity for a potential entry model. So I entered the trade, and the rest was history, guys. I was actually very happy in terms of how this trade played out. This is actually a very beautiful A plus plus setup trade. Okay, so let me just remove all of this stuff. Okay, because all of them has been already taken out by price. All right. Okay, give me a moment. All right. So now, what are we actually anticipating for AUD to do? Personally, okay, price still looks as if we are moving towards the upside. Personally, lah. Okay, this is what I feel we're about to do. I do not see any form of potential entry opportunities That is why I say I don't really have much of a bias or prediction to give you guys for forex pairs. Later we will go through gold also, but after this I want to no, maybe go through gold first, then we go to crypto. Is better, easy for you guys to actually understand it. Market also is a little bit slow. Okay, let me turn on the sessions one so you guys can see it. So Asia was beautiful. Okay, London typically also tend to be a bit slower lah. Okay, but you see compared to yesterday, right? See Asia was quite okay. London also was quite okay. You see both sessions were quite strong. New York was not as strong as the previous two sessions, but nevertheless the overall bias was towards the upside. Right now, because we entered a new stage, right? Not stage lah. I mean, we went above this key level range. Uh, I'm not seeing price actually come back to retest the key level area. I'm not seeing certain things that I would like to see yet in order for me to identify a potential buying opportunity. But nevertheless, price does looks like he wants to move towards the upside. So let us just have some form of targets, okay, so that we will understand the possibility of where price may be heading to. Personally, right, based on what I can see, right, actually all the way up here, guys, okay, above the key level range. So this is what price action is telling me, okay, that we are about to go all the way up to 0.66569. So this is obviously my potential target that I want to aim for as of now, but I would not enter just because I'm able to find a potential target. The reason being is because I'm not seeing a potential entry opportunity. So my advice to you guys, right? Primarily, I believe we can focus on buys, but again, let me do some analysis later on for also like gold and also for USD JPY to really give you guys what I really feel might be happening. Okay, but nevertheless, as of now, just on hindsight, I believe we may be moving towards the upside. So focus on liquidity level 0.66569 for AUD USD. But do not enter blindly, guys. Like I said, I'm also not entering this opportunity because there's no opportunity as of now. This is just predictions. This is not call opportunity. There's two very different things. Okay, so let's go into gold. So gold, okay, so this line here, right, 3422, right, actually is the liquidity range that we spoke about during our live stream, where we predicted gold to actually go up and take out this liquidity, and then potentially we will be waiting to see another, I don't know, either more bullish move up or bearish move down. I'm not gonna say, oh, I predicted after you take out this liquidity, we're gonna move down. Yeah, I don't wanna lie and say it. I didn't know that. All I knew is after this form of liquidity has been taken out, probably something is about to happen. So how I predict this is because this is high time frame liquidity. So this one has been taken out, and then we can see I actually saw this opportunity for sell, but I didn't enter. The reason being is because I didn't like how price action was. You see, they're all very close by to each other. Okay, we're having red, green, red, green, green, red, green, red. There's a lot of, I mean, this is healthy price action because market likes to see this, but as a trader, I don't like to see this a lot because this is not showing me volatility. It's not, there's no power. So I want to understand if I were to enter the market, I need power to drive the market in the certain direction that I'm anticipating price to go to. Nevertheless, during Neo session, it did move towards the downside. There was an opportunity, okay, within this range. I just choose not to enter it. And I'm not upset that I didn't enter it because, like I said, if you're able to identify very major and important key levels, you will always have an opportunity nevertheless. Okay, so for gold, right, I actually use this one. Don't worry about the charts. I just use different sections so that I don't need to remove certain things in the previous chart because I'm lazy to draw them again. So gold so far seems as if we are moving towards the downside, guys. It's quite obvious. Okay, we're still moving towards the downside. I need to wait and see during New York session lah. So when New York session kicks in, right, guys, just be aware of these key level areas that I draw out. Okay, watch how the market reacts upon going to those areas. So even for gold, I do not see a potential opportunity happening as of now. Okay, I cannot tell you guys focus on buys or focus on sells. The market does seem as if it is moving towards the downside, but we never really reach or go to another form of key level yet to identify what may be possibly about to happen in today's market. Today is Thursday, right, guys? Today is Thursday. So give me a moment now. Let me just go to the Forex Factory. Yesterday, I didn't trade as well because I was just holding the ADUSD, and then after I went to TPUD. So let me just see. Yesterday night I didn't trade. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. Today, 24th of July. Okay. So today we do have unemployment claims. Unemployment claims, we do have it at 8:30 today. So in a way, it's a good thing because it will start to help us drive price, and then we will start to understand a certain form of manipulation happening in the market and potentially any form of liquidity that he wants to go to. We also 9:45, guys. We have news, which is PMI news. So be very aware if you're planning to trade gold or any pairing that is versus USD. Okay, because we do have one, two, three red news for USD and one orange news for USD, which is at 10 p.m. New home sales. Okay, that one also have to bear in mind because it is still orange, so there will be some form of impact. Not as powerful as the red ones, but nevertheless, 8:30 up to 10 o'clock, we do have US news today, guys. So probably even myself, I might not be entering as of New York session open today. The reason being is because 9:45 New York session open at 9:30 in Malaysia time for those that don't know. So 9:45, so which is just 15 minutes after we have another PMI news. So I might find an opportunity after 9:45. I just letting you guys know. Huh? But for crypto, in the other hand, I might enter shortly, maybe around 9 o'clock. Okay, I might because there's an opportunity happening as of now. So personally, gold is moving down. I think maybe before the news or whatever, we might see potentially it moving up to this level here, and then what happens here, right? Either he goes below or above, then only we'll be able to really understand where market wants to move to. So as of now, I believe, to be honest lah, I feel it moving up. To be honest, I'm just telling you guys, I feel gold will be moving up. I'm not 100% sure yet because now also 8:18, right? We're like more than an hour earlier to really see what price may be potentially about to do. If it's nearby the key level, I can be a bit more clearer lah. But maybe about 9 o'clock or 9:30 ish, we might reach this level already. Then potentially, don't know. I still feel we might be moving up, guys. Okay, based on what I'm seeing now lah. I could be wrong. I do not enter just because of this. Okay, I also personally will always do my analysis once again after the news happens because I like to see what price is about to do. And somehow 8:30 is unemployment claims, right? So we have less than 10 minutes, guys, to really see what is about to happen. But I really feel gold for now will move down at least to this key level range, and then potentially we might be seeing something else happening lah. So let's just wait and see unemployment claims tonight. Yes, correct. So pro always on the news. Very good. Okay, so USDJPY. Okay, so this one also just to give you guys a recap lah, that we did predict it to take out this liquidity level during our live streams the day before yesterday, and market did go below and taken out that certain form of liquidity. As of now, okay, let me see. Give me a moment, guys. Okay. I don't know why, but USDGPY somehow seems as if we are starting to move higher lah. Okay, as of now, based on what price action is showing me, it seems that we are moving higher, in my opinion. Let me see this for a while. Is this equal highs? The high of this is 147206. What is this? 147214. What is this again? Oh no, this already taken out this high. Yeah, this already taken out this high, so this is not equal high. This one, was it a equal high initially? 208. This is what, 206, is it? This is, yeah, no, this already taken out this high already. So this is not an equal high. So far, USD seems as if we are moving higher lah. So probably gold may be moving down. Okay, today. So for now, my bias is kind of shifting towards the sell side. But again, we still have to wait for 8:30 and then see what happens lah, because that will really structure the market and for us to really identify where the potential movement is about to happen. So based on price action for UCJPY, right? Since this is the primary pair is USD and it seems like they're going to move up. So I think gold will be moving down lah, at least to that key level range like we anticipated lah here. Okay. So just let's just wait for 8:30 guys to see what is about to happen. USD, AUD, USD, I would like it to come back into this key level, even though this is my primary target zone. So I will wait and see 8:30 what is about to happen lah. If we really starts to disrespect this level and then we really start to move lower, then my bias will change from a buying opportunity to a selling opportunity. But I will aim primarily to this key level, which is resting below here. Okay, so guys, I want to get into the crypto because crypto potentially we are having an opportunity as of now. So this is also the one, the recap, okay, where I told you guys do not enter. Okay, I told you guys don't enter this because primarily I would like you guys to focus on buying opportunities as of now. I entered this opportunity and I closed off also early. Okay, I closed off early because I also am not really, not to say confident, but I understand in terms of how the crypto space has been moving recently, which is mostly towards the upside. Okay, primarily focusing on BTC. So in BTC, right, if you see a very sudden or powerful moves towards the upside, especially when it makes a new high, you guys can start to expect, right, other major forms of crypto space currencies like Dogecoin, Solana, okay, ETH, and so on. They also usually will start to move up, not new highs, not make new highs, but they will start to move up. The reason behind is because when BTC, right, is kind of like the main cryptocurrency, right, when it goes up, investors that are interested to invest in the crypto space will have more confidence in seeing that the possibility of it actually growing more and more is higher. So they will start to invest not only on BTC but also in other cryptocurrencies. Okay, especially well-known ones lah. So that is why if BTC usually makes a new high, the other crypto spaces also tend to make a new not new high but go higher lah. So since that was happening, I didn't told you guys to enter this. Okay, nevertheless, the trade did play out. I really wish I didn't close off, but again, I did not regret lah my decision because we never know. Okay, we never knew what could happen in the market. So let me just remove this. Also, I shared this 2 days ago in the live stream. You guys can check that out lah. All of this was shared during the live stream. Okay, this one all liquidity. This is the major liquidities I was aiming for, not this key level. It went way below that, which is amazing. Okay, so now I'm potentially aiming for a buying opportunity, guys. Okay, for Dogecoin, a bit too early, I will say. For now, it is a little bit too early. But I am potentially aiming to focus for buys. And then if we are focusing on buys, right, I am aiming for these highs, okay, and liquidities resting here to be taken out. Personally, I really feel these areas to be taken out. And if these areas is taken out with ease, right, okay, this will be roughly the ultimate levels lah that I am potentially aiming for. But primarily, I am kind of focusing on these areas because these are all low resistance liquidity that is resting very close by each other, which I feel price is very interested to be taking them out. But it all depends on what we see later on. A bit too early right now. This is basically like the starting phase, the foundation phase for potential buying opportunity. I could be wrong. That's why I don't enter right now. I need to see a few more confirmations, especially I need to scale down to smaller time frames, okay, to do some multi-time frame analysis to finally understand if we are ready or not to potentially go for buying opportunity or not. Nevertheless, I just want to share it with you guys that I am personally interested and looking into Dogecoin for potential buying opportunity. Okay, so just remember the liquidity level I'm aiming is roughly around these levels here. Okay, those are like the closest forms of liquidity, where a bunch of liquidity are basically being stacked upon each other. So Lana also seems like a buying opportunity, but because we didn't came into this key level range, okay, I didn't see certain things happen like what I like to see. So that's why I'm not focusing on Solana as of now. Personally, I'm not focusing on Solana as of now. BTC, I'm just using it as a foundation, okay, to understand what is a good thing for me to focus on as of now. That's it. I'm not trading BTC because we're currently in the all-time high ranges. ETH also seems like buying opportunity, but I personally, this is my bad lah. I didn't really analyze ETH in terms of really updating my key levels, okay, understanding certain form of liquidities, okay, sweeps, buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. I didn't really analyze ETH, so that's why I don't not confident enough to give you guys a potential bias. But ETH seems a lot more, to be honest, prettier in terms of a buying opportunity. I have to say it is a lot more prettier, and I do expect ETH to take out this liquidity level, which is 3860.70. Personally, if it goes up, I feel this liquidity level is going to be taken out for ETH, but I won't be giving you guys a potential entry opportunity because I myself did not analyze it properly, and I don't want to give you guys chinchai predictions. But Dogecoin, I did analyze it properly, and my key levels all are being up to date. So I am currently waiting for a potential buying opportunity now, but not yet. Okay, it's not ready yet. This is just a foundational bias things. Huh? Okay, guys, 3 minutes after unemployment claims, guys. I think I might be ending the live stream because my wife actually bought some buns. Okay, pastries which I'm going to eat later tonight, just as a dessert. And then I also need to reanalyze the markets for potential trading opportunities. Since you guys know, I do time to time trade S&P 500, and that one solely relies on the US side in terms of any news or whatever it will affect it crazily, especially when New York session opens, right, is very strong. So I need to really be ready to trade that and really analyze it properly before I potentially choose to enter the market. So that's why I want to focus a bit more after 8:30. I want to see what happens, and then how the market, for example, what price actually does. Okay, what certain form of liquidity has it taken? What the price has created in the market for me to really give myself a certain form of bias and find if there's a potential entry opportunity or not today. Okay, if that sounds easy to understand now. I know it's a little bit complicating. Okay, but trust me, it's not. Eventually, when you guys learn right trading, all of those things that I said is actually very simple things. Okay, if you guys are interested, so to learn how I give out all of these predictions, how I actually give you guys my analysis, do my own analysis on a day-to-day basis, everything that I teach you guys on my live stream. If you guys would like to learn how I actually did them, I do have my own personal 6-week course whereby I take you from even if you're a total beginner to actually being able to see the markets and start trading like how I do on a day-to-day basis within 6 weeks. So if you guys are interested to find out more information pertaining to that, I do have my Instagram link in the description below where you guys can personally reach out to me and then to find out more details about the course. If you guys are interested now, okay? And then just let me know if you guys do that from YouTube. Let me know you from YouTube because I really am also trying to grow my YouTube page as much as possible. So I would appreciate if you guys can give me a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, guys. So 8:29. Okay, and my phone is not with me. You know what I mean? I like to see the seconds thing because if you guys use iPhone, I'm not saying anything bad about Android, huh? But what I know, iPhone, the clock icon, okay, the okay guys, 8:30 already. The thing will actually move lah in terms of the seconds lah. So you can actually just see the icon, you will know how many seconds has passed. If you guys didn't know that lah. Okay. I just want to see the movements on it, that's all. Okay, better we use this one. I want it to go down. Let's see. We are seeing bearish candles now. Okay, we are moving down somewhat. Wait, this is loading, no, guys. This is loading usually. I go and see the news. What is the result? Okay, it came out good for USD. The news lah for unemployment claims came out good for USD. So probably we may start to see gold move down, and then like what we anticipate for USD JPY, yeah, to move up. Okay, so USD JPY is moving up. Okay, gold is still loading lah. Okay, we kind of like thinking, should we go down? Should we stay up? What should we do? Gold is still deciding. Okay, not that big of an impact yet. But again, lah, sometimes unemployment claims it takes some time, within the first 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then after that you start to see a powerful move. But nevertheless, guys, I just update you guys. Unemployment claims came out good for USD. So now the next news that I'll be waiting for personally is 9:45. I want to see about PMI. What is actually the results, and it will it be good for USD or bad for USD? We cannot say lah because unemployment can become good means then PMI also be good. We cannot really just use this term to generalize it. Okay, we need to wait regardless to understand what will be the actual outcome for USD data for PMI. So that's what I'm interested to wait for and excited to see how the market will be moving. If there's an opportunity for me, I will enter today and I'll update you guys on my Instagram for sure. But if there's not, then I will just wait for tomorrow, guys. Because I had a good trading week, especially because of AUD USD and the other pairs that we spoke about, which I've entered as well. I really hope you guys did also. If you guys did, congratulations. So this week was actually a very good week. Last week was also a good week. The week I remember it was the week before that or the previous one. That was the one where we didn't get much opportunities. Only two opportunities that week. But okay lah, the market is kicking back. Okay, you start to giving us again a lot of opportunities, which is amazing lah. Everything is a blessing if we learn to see it correctly. Okay, guys, not really affecting gold yet, huh? Okay, we're not really seeing much of an effect. Now we're starting to move up. Yeah, you see JPY, yeah. And that's now we set price action wise. It is kind of moving up, but dangerous to enter as of now. They are moving up. Still, guys, don't enter just because of this. Remember, just wait. 9:45. So we have news. Just wait. After that, also have opportunity. There's always opportunity in the market as long we know where to look and how to find them. If you guys interested to learn how to find them, like I said, guys, you guys can reach out to me to find out more information pertaining to my course. Okay, guys, so I think I'll end the live stream here. I hope this live stream was insightful for you as it was for me. There we go. AUD is coming down. Okay, this is good. Then potentially, maybe I'm also might enter AUD lah. If I see buying opportunities later after 9:45, I might aim for this trading opportunity. But if it moves lower, guys, then the possibility of me aiming for roughly this key level and also liquidity within this range is quite high. So it really depends on how the market reacts later on. Okay, I just let you guys know first, but I'll update you guys on my Instagram page. If you haven't followed me there, you guys can consider doing that. I do have my links in the description below. Lah. Hi Ali, thank you so much for joining the live stream. How are you? I'm very fine. Thank you, Ali. I hope you're doing well too. Thank you for asking. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Lion, for always joining. Your Discord is not active nowadays. Yes. The main group, okay, yes, is not as active because right now I'm focusing solely on the students that I have on board with my 6-week program. So the same Discord channel, I do have another channel called Inner Circle. So I try to be as active there in terms of providing homeworks and also analyzing those homeworks for my students. That's why I apologize. I will be more active in my general Discord page as well. Okay, for you, Ali, I'll update there. But as of now, Ali, I did share about the crypto space, right? Dogecoin I'm potentially aiming for buying opportunity, but not yet. I'm just waiting now. Just to share with you lah. Okay, so guys, once again, I appreciate every single one of you joining. It really makes me happy seeing you guys. So for those that have subscribed to the channel, if you guys are new, I really appreciate every single one of you. And if you guys leave a like to this video, also that would be very helpful to my channel. So thank you. And I will catch every single one of you in the very next live stream. Remember, guys, today got quite a few news. So be safe, trade safely, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care, traders.